Hi everyone, this is Sarah, and welcome to my 50 Christmas Crafts series for 2019. I will be showing you how to make 50 different Christmas crafts this year, and I hope you'll be back for all of them because we'll be having a lot of fun. Today, I'm participating in an upcycle collaboration with three great ladies, Leah at Southern Yankee, Christy from Christy's Crafts DIY, and Nanika over at Craft Eat Repeat. Be sure to check out all their videos after I'm done. Their links are in the description below. For this collaboration, I went to Goodwill and found a wicker sleigh that had seen better days and thought it would make a great floral display. If you like what you see here, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button below. If you know anyone that would like this video or my channel, please share this link because every view and every subscriber really helps enable me to keep creating videos for you. And if you'd like to see more of what I do, you can follow me on Instagram or take a look at my blog. I also have a Facebook group if you'd like to share all the wonderful things you make. The links to all of these are in the description below. So for today's challenge, I'm using this sleigh that I picked up at Goodwill, and I paid $2.99 for it, and I am going to give this an upcycle so it will be an absolutely cute display for sitting in our entryway. The first thing that I'm going to do is give all the red portions of the sleigh a couple coats of this burnt umber craft paint. Now, I just want to be sure I have all the red covered and just all the nooks and dings and everything that it has on it. The red or the green, I am going to cover with a metallic paint.
Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with bits and tick.
Now that I've given this 2 coats of the brown paint, I'm going to go in with some Waverly White chalk paint, and what is going to happen with this is because the burnt umber is not completely dry yet, it's going to cause some streaking, and that is actually the look that I want. So I'm not going to bother to clean my brush because we're going to want that streaked look. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and work my brush into this paint a little bit, and as you can see it's leaving some brown in it, and I actually put the white paint over the brown on my plate here. And then I'm just going to go in and start painting over And you can see that it's blending, it's causing a little bit of streaking, and this is not actually coming out looking really white. It's coming out as a light brown color. It's still got a lot of character to it. I'm going to work into all the areas here that didn't get any coats of paint before. I don't want too much of the red showing. I don't mind a little bit of it. Alright, and then I'm just going to keep working around my sleigh with this method. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to paint the runners and the back of the sleigh using a metallic antique copper paint, and I'm going to use 2 or 3 coats. Now that my sleigh is dry, I have the copper paint applied, and this has an old warm wicker look to it. I'm going to go ahead and add some styrofoam to the inside of my sleigh. And I'm just going to use a little bit of hot glue to secure this to the bottom. Now I'm just going to start adding some picks and some greenery that I have had laying around. Most of them from Dollar Tree. There's a few from Walmart, some from Hobby Lobby. There's quite a few of them, so I'm not sure where they all came from, but now it's time to start adding the greenery. Now that I have my florals put in how I want them, and I'm pretty happy with that, I'm going to go back in with some moss, and I am just going to push the moss down in between to cover up any of the empty spaces in there, and so that you can't see the styrofoam. Now for this, I'm just going to use some reindeer moss that I have on hand. I tend to like reindeer moss. I like the greener color that it has to it. And I'm just going to go in and just move it around in here a little bit so that it covers up that styrofoam. And I should have done this before, truth be told, but I wasn't sure how much was going to show before I got started, how full I was going to make this, but I want it to have a little bit lighter, woodsier look. I don't want it to be real full and just overly styled. Alright, now I'm just going to go in and add a little bit of something to the side of the sleigh here because it looks just a little bit plain. And I'm just going to start hot gluing first just a little bit of this greenery here. I'm just going to glue that right there to the center of the sleigh. Then I'm just going to use one of these twine balls that I picked up at Dollar Tree and glue those right on top of our greenery here. And just hold those there while that sets up. I'm going to go in with just a couple sprigs of this, I don't know, mistletoe type greenery. I found it in with some Christmas stuff, but I'm not exactly sure what type of greenery it is. So we're just going to go ahead and add some of that in there. Just bring that so it comes out from under. And do the same thing on the other side. Alright, and since we have a sleigh here, I'm just going to add a couple of little jingle bells. Right, there we go, just a simple little design on the front of the sleigh, and we are done. So here's the finished sleigh, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. It's a nice big piece. It can draw attention. Got my little bird hiding back in there nesting. Lots of willow branches for a backdrop. And I think it's just a nice focal point sitting here in our guest bathroom. Let me know what you think, and I will see you soon for another video. Bye-bye. If you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button as well as share it with friends who may also enjoy it. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button, and when the notification bell pops up, be sure you hit that as well so you never miss a video. And, as always, have a great day and stay crafty.